This anti-snoring mouthpiece can literally end your snoring overnight. ZQuiet is the easiest way to end your snoring, and it works the first night you try it. Other anti-snoring techniques didn't target the root cause, soft tissue falling back into your throat. ZQuiet is an anti-snoring mouthpiece that provides immediate relief by gently moving your jaw forward.
I just didn't expect it to work that quickly and that effectively.
It's cleared by the FDA, it's made in the USA, and it's made with safe medical grade materials.
The ZQuiet though is comfortable, easy to use, and does improve snoring the first night.
Your snoring may be causing you brain fog. Try ZQuiet.